In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Shopify recovery code. If you've enabled two-step authentication on your Shopify account, recovery codes are your safety net. They're especially important if you ever lose access to your phone or authentication app because they let you log in securely without being locked out of your store. Finding your Shopify recovery code is simple once you know where to look, and in 2025 the process hasn't changed much. It's all handled within your account security settings. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. In the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Now then, go to Users and Permissions. From there, select your account. Under the two-step authentication section, you'll find the option to manage your authentication method. If you've already set up two-step verification, you'll see an area where Shopify shows your backup recovery codes. These are usually displayed as a list of one-time use codes that you can save or print for emergencies. If you don't see the codes, it may mean you haven't generated them yet. In that case, Shopify gives you the option to create recovery codes when you set up or manage two-step authentication. Simply click the option to view recovery codes or generate new recovery codes, and Shopify will show you a fresh list. Each code can only be used once, so it's a good practice to download them, save them securely in a password manager, or print them out and keep them in a safe place. If you've lost both your phone and your recovery codes, you'll need to contact Shopify support to regain access to your store. This can take extra verification steps, so it's always best to generate and store your codes ahead of time. By taking a few minutes to locate and save your recovery codes, you're protecting your business from unexpected lockouts and ensuring that you'll always have access to your Shopify account no matter what happens with your devices. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.